guys, this is how you fill the water in your Ninja Luxe Café. This on the back has a handle, lift up and remove. And then this top comes off like that. Using reverse osmosis water. It has min 18 ounce and max up here. And once you're done filling it, just put that lid back on and bring it back over. And it just slides back in just like that.